Our Bluetooth temperature data logger is easy to connect. Simple download the TKPro app by scanning the QR code on the products, and the pairing will be successful immediately. It can be remote monitoring with a 10 meters Bluetooth reach. You will be notified of any temperature changes immediately just by scanning the code by app on your mobile phone. Our Bluetooth temperature data logger has an accurate and real-time update. Built-in Japan-made smart thermometer sensors, the temperature is accurate to 0.2 centigrade. It provides high process monitoring. It can record a new and accurate temperature reading every minute. Our Bluetooth temperature data logger has a smart app alert. You will be receive notification alert on your phone once temperature is out of preset range. It can help you effectively adjust the situation of your wine cellar, secret room, greenhouse, basement, or transport in time. Our Bluetooth temperature logger has free data storage and export. Our HACCP Bluetooth temperature data logger updates data to the app when connected to wireless Bluetooth. Enjoy 1 year of online data storage. You can view hours, days, weeks, even years of historical data and export in PDF and or CSV format. Our Bluetooth temperature data logger has another feature of contactless connection. A sensor can be connected to contactless users on contactless Android phones, taking no account of the phone's performance. The app can support contactless sensors. Freshliance Bluetooth temperature loggers has large memory capacity compared with other temperature loggers. Freshliance temperature loggers has a large memory capacity of 65,000 readings for more data storage. The T10 Bluetooth HACCP temperature data logger record is very suitable for low temperature logistics, vaccine transportation, fresh food distribution, refrigerated transportation, especially in incubator transportation, which can easily realize the readings without opening the box. This wireless HACCP temperature sensor is also ideal for monitoring the temperature of some locations, such as in the house, wine cellars, secret storage room, baby room, basement, and greenhouse, etc. Within a 10 meters Bluetooth range, you can update and view the temperature change product to realize the automatic monitoring, tracing, and recording of temperature in the whole process. Our Bluetooth temperature data log adopts the most advanced low-power Bluetooth technologies. It is a high-performance integrated circuit to realize the wireless communication between the temperature data logger and the mobile Bluetooth device. It is not only compact and easy to carry, but also has an effective wireless communication distance of 10 meters, which eliminates the troubles of the connecting traditional logger device, improves the working efficiency, and saves the working time. You are welcome to Freshliance Living Room. If you have any question or requirement to our products, please leave me a message. At present, we have two kinds of the Bluetooth temperature loggers. One is with the LED indication. Another one is the T20 with the LCD indication. Our Bluetooth temperature loggers modern models Bluetooth Tech T10 with the temperature range of 30 centigrade and 0 to 70 centigrade. And we have there is two temperature accuracy available for you to choose according to your application. There's one high accuracy of 0.2 centigrade, and another is a traditional temperature accuracy of 0.5 centigrade. All our Bluetooth temperature loggers with the memory capacity of large memory capacity of 65,000 readings, and the working days for the Bluetooth Tech temperature loggers is 1 year, also with self-lab. You are welcome to our living room. Freshliance temperature loggers Freshliance test loggers Bluetooth TH20 is an integrated Bluetooth HACCP temperature and humidity data loggers. This Bluetooth temperature recorder features high resolution temperature range from 30 centigrade and 0 to 70 centigrade. It comes with an up to 65,000 readings with a real temperature and humidity displays. This HACCP temperature sensor is widely used in various industries to monitor environmental temperature. With the Bluetooth app software provided by our companies, you can quickly and accurately set various parameters of these products. Bluetooth connection through app, you can read the temperature data by app on your phone. The Bluetooth temperature monitor has passed CE rules and complied to EN 12830 for the transportation, storage, distribution of food. You are welcome to our living room. Freshliance Bluetooth temperature loggers is easy to operate and place. With the Bluetooth app software provided by our companies, you can quickly and accurately set up the various parameters. This data logger has a built-in magnet with a built-in magnetic sheet in the attached stickers, so it can attach and to the wall or other subject surfaces. Freshliance Bluetooth temperature loggers has a super thin bodies, and you can see it's very thin bodies and low consumption. The Bluetooth HACCP temperature and humidity data logger uses a button batteries, creating a super thin 30mm bodies. Ultra low consumption electronic screen, working time up to 200 days. The battery is placed in for repeated use. The TS20 Bluetooth temperature loggers has Livestream and real-time temperature humidity displays. The real-time views of the current temperature and humidities. You can see the above is the temperatures and this part below the temperature is the humidities. You can find the max and maximum and minimum temperature and humidity values from the LCD screen. And the battery levels, you could also can check the battery levels here. This TH20 Bluetooth temperature data logger and humidity data loggers has a high precision and large capacity. The built-in HACCP temperature sensor can measure the temperatures of 30 centigrade and 0 to 70 centigrade with a high accuracy of 0.2 centigrade. Suitable for multi-sense use, it has a large memory capacity of 65,000 readings. Freshliance Bluetooth temperature data logger has a smart app alert. You will receive a notification alert on your phone once the temperature is out of preset range. This temperature and humidity data logger can help you effectively adjust the situation of the house, warehouse, laboratory, museum, or cold chain transportation in time. You are welcome to our living room. Freshliance temperature and humidity data loggers has free data storage and export. Our Bluetooth HACCP temperature data logger upload data to the app when connected to WAS Bluetooth. Enjoy online data storage views. You can view historical data or export it in PDF or CSV format. This Bluetech TH20 LCD Bluetooth HACCP temperature and humidity data logger recorder is very suitable for low temperatures logistics, just like cold chain vehicles, cold storage, refrigerated box. This wireless HACCP temperatures and humidity sensor is also ideal for monitoring the temperature and humidity in house, like indoor temperature and humidity detection, refrigerator food preservation, pill breedings, flower breedings, musical instrument maintenance. Bluetech TH20 Bluetooth data logger temperature and humidity sensor is a HACCP temperature log product for the laboratory such as pharmacies, medicine cabinet, vaccine storage, drug storage. It can be used to realize the automatic monitoring, tracing, and recording of temperatures is the whole process. You are welcome to Freshliance living room. Our HACCP Bluetooth data loggers temperature humidity loggers has a super thin 30 mm body adapted to the most advanced low-power Bluetooth technologies. It also can be used in various industries that monitor the environmental temperature, warehouse environmental detection, food storage monitoring, machine room and workshop environmental detection, commodity It can also be used in the supermarket for the food or the medicine. Then, how to use this kind of the Bluetooth temperature and humidity data loggers? First step, you just download and install the app from the Google Play, or just scan the QR code at the back of the products. When you install the app in your mobile phone, just open the app and tag the join in to the register. After successful registration, log in your account. Then pull out the battery installation sheet to start the loggers. Tap plus on the home page to enter the Add Device Plus. Then scan the symbol to scan the symbols, the QR code on the device, or enter the product series numbers under the QR code. Then you could edit the technical data. After configuration, tap Confirm. It will enter the home page automatically. After you set up the technical data, you can check the real-time data from your mobile phones. You can also read the historical data. On the home page, tap the Recording Status interface. Enter the Details page to review the historical data. Place the device next to the mobile phone. Tap Refresh button to get the latest data from the device. Tap the Data Details button. The data details list will be displayed. You could also stop the device from your mobile phone. Just tap End button at the bottom of the details page to stop the device. Please be noted, once the finished stop will be displayed on the app, then the app won't record anymore from this device and only shows the real-time data. At last, log S AUT dry as temperature data loggers with an external probe can measure the temperatures from 90 centigrade and 0 to 70 centigrade. This temperature data logger is equipped with LCD display, which can view real-time temperature data. Its capacity is max to 35,000 readings. Professional users can use the configuration software to configure the parameters, and after completing this trip, an encrypted report can be automatically generated. Temporary models allow the device to continue working after using generates and reading a temporary report. This temperature data logger is designed for cold chain logistics, storage, and transportation. It is an ideal solution for ultra-low temperature transportation and temperature monitoring that require frequency temperature record. Welcome to our living room. If you have any question for our temperature or humidity data loggers, you could leave a message. Freshliance Atlas log AUT as dry as temperature data logger has features. It can be set up the technique data by yourself. The parameters can be freely configured through the configuration softwares. and the batteries can be replaceable. You can change the battery when the power is off. Its battery can work for up to 180 days, and when the battery power is off, the battery can be replaced and reused. Our Atlas log IoT dry ice temperature data loggers has alarming point settings and mark functions. You can freely set according to need, up to 6 alarm points, and can be set to 9 marks, which is available for you to record the situation. This kind of the ice temperature data loggers has passport protection functions. Passport can be set to prevent others from operating the equipment with the authorities. Atlas log IoT temperature data loggers has a LCD screen display it will display all the data running status. When you open this machine, just press these buttons for 5 seconds. Then it will, if there is no delay, it will display the data in the real time. You can see the temperatures and the working status here. There's also alarm status. When the temperature is over the preset temperature, it will give a sound alarm. There is also battery levels, alarm point, maximum and minimum temperature, and the average temperature values displayed in the LCD screens. The temperature report. For this kind of the temperature data loggers, a temporary report is available. The temporary models allows the temperature data logger to continue to working after user has generated and read the temperature currently data's information, which can be viewed using the configuration softwares. When you use this kind of machines, you just during the working, you just insert to connect to the computer by the USB. There will be a temporary report will be available on your computers. The report format is available to PDF or CSV report. It can automatically generate PDF or CSV report with graphs and tables without additional softwares. Freshliance Atlas log IoT dry ice temperature data logger with an external probe, which can measure the temperature from 90 centigrade under zero to 70 centigrade. It is an ideal choice for ultra-low temperature transport and temperature monitoring solution. It is used to record and monitor the ultra-low temperatures in cold storage, cold chain transportation, and dry ice storage environment. Biological products such as vaccine reagents are extremely temperature sensitive, and the temperature change during storage and transportation should be monitored and controlled in time. The Atlas log temperature data loggers with a real-time temperature display is ideal for the pharmaceutical industries or biological products. It can be used for countless recording life science, biological samples, parasitical cold chain, vaccine cold chain, blood cold chain. When you want to stop this machine, just press this button for 5 seconds.
他们讲了哪个？
那个蓝牙，
两个都讲了。
哦，它这个上面这个没法按是吧？手机上那个
可以。
这个电脑上没法按。
那个不用点那个。
就是他们有人进入不是你可以点那个名片什么目录。
哦，那个不用管，那个不用管，那个吴杰在后台会操作。
他们啊，他们操作。
对。蓝牙。蓝牙。Hello, good morning. My name is Miles and I'm your new host. Later I will continue to introduce our products to you. And good morning. This time is 10 a.m. China time, UTC plus 8. Okay. Okay, I see there are many friends coming to our video, our show, our live show. Welcome everyone, wherever you come from. So welcome to our live show. So later I will continue to introduce our company products. Okay, just now my colleague has give you a presentation of the Bluetooth type, and let me see. Okay, later I will give you product introduction of our data logger model. Okay, this one as Atlas log, ATLAS LOG, Atlas log. Okay, let's see. Welcome to see our live show. Okay, now let's get started. Okay, so let me show you the device, the model Atlas log. Atlas log. This is the appearance. As you can see, it is white color, and this model have different different versions. Firstly, a brief introduction of this device. Atlas log is a multi-use, configurable, and battery replaceable temperature data logger. It has two different versions. One is with internal sensor, internal temperature sensor, and the internal temperature sensor, the temperature range is from -30 to 70 degree, -30 to 70 degree. And another version, we have the external sensor probe. And this version, it has three different temperature range, from -30 to 70, from -90 to 70, and from -200 to 200 degrees. Okay, it is both the two versions. It is the series. They belong to the Atlas log series, the same series. So this Atlas log series is a multi-use, user configurable, and battery replaceable data logger. It has equipped with a LCD screen, and you can view the real-time temperature data here. And it has memory capacity of 35,000 readings. Professional users can use the configuration software to configure the parameters. And after completing the trip, an encrypted report can be automatically generated. Temporary mode allows the device to continue working after the user generates and reads a temporary report. This temperature data logger is designed for cold chain logistics, storage, and transportation. It is an ideal solution for ultra-low temperature transportation and temperature monitoring that requires frequent temperature recording. Okay, this is a brief introduction, and next I will show you. You can see the details. So, firstly, you can see it is a white color and with a blue color button. Okay, two buttons. And if you take off the lid, you can see the USB connector. Okay, so and then it's the LCD screen. This screen will display the recording status, mark, battery level, alarm level, password protection, and measurement value, temperature unit, and time unit, max value, mean value, average value, alarm status, start delay, reuse. So all the informations you can see in the screen. So for the buttons, there are two buttons. The left Left one is start button. Okay, left one is start button, and right side is the stop button. So for Atlas Log multi-use liquid nitrogen dry ice temperature data logger, you can see them with external probe, and the Atlas Log IoT temperature data logger doesn't have the external probe. Okay, so talking about the features of this model. First, it is user configurable. All the parameters is user configurable. The parameters can be freely configured through the configuration software, and you can download the software from our website free. Second is replaceable battery. Okay, you can see here there is a round cover. There is a round cover here. Round cover. There's a round cover here, and by open this cover, you can see there is a battery here. A round coin battery. And the battery can work up to 90 days. And after that you can change the battery and continue to use. Third feature is alarm points setting and the mark functions. You can freely set according to needs. Up to 6 alarm points and 9 marks are available. Password protection. The password can be set to prevent others from operating the equipment without authorization. So the password protection function is set by the software. Another feature, it can generate the temporary report. The temporary mode allows the temperature data logger to continue working after users have generated and read current data information. Current data information can be viewed using the configuration software. And the next, about the report, it can automatically generate PDF or CSV report with graphs and tables without additional software. Large data capacity. Its memory capacity reaches up to 35,000 readings. 35,000 readings. Its memory capacity. And then audible and visual alarm. Both LCD alarm indication and the buzzer alarm available. Temperature unit switchable. Its temperature unit can switch from Celsius and Fahrenheit, and is freely switched. Remand is about configuration remand and report download remand. So Atlas Log series is a multi-use temperature data logger with LCD screen and external probe, featuring high resolution temperature range of -90 to 200 degrees. It is an ideal choice for ultra-low temperature transportation and temperature monitoring solution requiring frequent temperature recording. It is used to record and monitor the ultra-low temperatures in cold storage, cold chain transportation, and dry ice storage environment. Biological products such as vaccine reagents are extremely temperature sensitive, and temperature changes during storage and transportation should be monitored and controlled in time. The Atlas Log series data logger is ideal choice for pharmaceuticals industry and biological products. It can be used for continuous recording of biopharmaceuticals, life science, biological samples, pharmaceutical cold chain, vaccine cold chain, blood cold chain, and diagnostic reagents, including the biological reagents, molecular reagents, COVID-19 reagents, and cell biology reagents in a low temperature environment. And For the specification, it's a model at the log. We have at log -30 and 60-90 and atlas log -200. Temperature range is different from -30 to 70, -90 to 200, and -200 to 200 degrees. Its temperature accuracy is ±0.5 degrees in the range of from -90 to 70 degree, and in other range its accuracy is 1 degree. Its working days about 90 days, and sensor type you can choose the internal sensor or external sensor. And for the external sensor, the sensor cable length is 2 meter, and memory capacity is 35,000 readings. Resolution 0.1 degree. Alarm points, you can set 6 alarm points. Alarm type is LCD display and also buzzer sound indication. And the sound level is about 60 dB at within 3 meters in distance. The log interval you can set from 1 minute to 24 hours. Start delay you can set from 0 minute to 24 hours. Report format is automatic PDF or CSV report. The connection is via USB connection. Compatible operating system. It's compatible with Windows system and also Mac system. Configuration software is our own software, Freshliance tools, and its battery is 3.0 voltage. The battery is replaceable. So for configuration, this device has a default configuration. If you want to change the configuration, you need to download the software from our company website and then install it accordingly, or install the device to the computer for configuration. And according to the configuration, it has 3 methods to start the device. First, you can start it by button press. Press the left button for 3 seconds. Hold it for 3 seconds until begin shows. To start the logger. Second is software start. After saving parameters and pull the logger out, it will start immediately. After saving parameters and pull the logger out from the computer, it will start on immediately. Time to start. The device will start according to the timing on the configuration software. Okay, next about the start delay. If there is a start delay configured, it will show delay time countdown firstly. It's start delay, and I told you that you can set from 0 minutes to 24 hours. And after power on the device, you can press the left button and the screen will show mean temperature value, and you press the left button again, it will show average temperature value. During this operation, press left button shortly, it will return to recording status or pause status directly. So during recording status or pause status, press the left button for 3 seconds to make a mark. So if the mark is on, if the screen show mark, show mark, so it means the device is making the mark. After marking, the signal of mark will be off. Only one mark point can be made in one recording interval. So you should note that only one mark point can be made in one recording interval. So if you want to make another mark, if you want to make a second mark, you will have to wait after another record interval. And it has also have the function of pause. So at the recording status, double press the left button, the logger will pause. It doesn't record temperature during pause status. If you double press the left button again, the logger starts to record again. So as you can see, in working status, short press the button once, it will show the value of max value, mean value, average value in turn. And if you double press the left button, it means pause. Double press again, it will continue to record again. So at pause status, you can plug the device into computer and get a temporary report. And even without the software, you can see the report. And during working status, during recording status, you can also plug the device into computer and get the temporary report. The temporary report is generated automatically. After you pull the logger out from computer, the logger still continues recording or pause. So please take a note that at the temporary mode, only PDF report is available. For the temporary report, only PDF format is available. During recording status, to generate a temporary report, the logger still records temperature. So during recording status, to generate a temporary report, the logger still records temperature. And next, talk about the stop. According to your configuration, the device has three methods to stop. One is a button stop. You can press the red button for 3 seconds. And the second is stop by software. So when you connect the device into the computer and open the software, you can click stop in the software, and then the device will stop. And next is when the logger reaches the max working days or memory capacity is full, it will stop automatically. So as you can see, the device has a limited memory, and also if its battery is run out, the logger will also stop automatically. So at a stop status, shortly press any button, the max mean information will be shown in turn once. And after stop the logger, you can get the final report. Insert the logger into computer, the screen will show PDF or CSV, indicating it's generating report. After the report is generated, the USB will be displayed. Will be displayed in the screen. After pull it out from computer, press any button, the max mean information will be shown in turn twice. So this is This is a basic operation of the operation of the device. And talking about the reuse, in order to avoid the report missed, please be sure to connect the logger to computer and generate the report automatically after the logger is stopped. Otherwise, if without any configuration again, it couldn't be reused. So if you want to reuse the logger, you need to make sure to -200. Okay, as it's easy to understand. So at the log -30, its temperature range is from -30 degree to 70 degree. It has the same temperature range with at log -t. Okay, and next is at log -90, from temperature range from -90 to 200 degree. From -90 to 200 degree, and then another model number is Atlas log -200, and range from -200 to 200 degrees. Okay, so totally you can choose 5 different model number in one Atlas log series. And all the different versions, different types, they share the same features of user configurable and LCD screen, and even the device is same appearance, and also it's user configurable, and the memory capacity is same, max 35,000 readings. And one different point you should take a note that for ultra low temperature, the Atlas log -IoT and the Atlas log -90, its battery is not available to replace. See, this is Atlas log -IoT. Atlas log -IoT. This is model, and you can see in the back side there is no back cover. And the battery inside cannot be replaced. And we design like this way is because of to make sure its function and performance, because in ultra low temperature situation is more severely serious than normal temperature range, so we have to make it compact, and have to make it to more stable with its design, electrical design or the housing design. Okay, this is a basic introduction of Atlas log series. You have 5 different models, and you can choose different models according to your needs. Take a look. This area is IoT, and this one is I think it is Atlas log -90. Okay, take a look. Both of them USB connector, and backside. If you look into the backside, a little different. One is battery replaceable, one is not. Okay, this one battery not available to replace, and then this one you can replace the battery. And for the external probe Currently we have two versions, 2 meters or 3 meters. 2 meters or 3 meters. Okay. At the last log, you can see the sensor head is made of stainless steel material. Stainless steel material. Okay, let's take a break, and later I will continue to introduce another model. Okay, let's continue. Hello everyone. So next, let me introduce our model. Let me introduce to you our model, Fresh Keeper. Fresh Keeper, okay, Fresh Keeper. Keeper, Fresh Keeper. Okay, it's Fresh Keeper. Mostly the complete model number is Freshkeeper-IoT. Freshkeeper-IoT. It's a dry ice temperature data logger. It is an ideal choice for temperature monitoring and recording for ultra-low shipments that requires frequent temperature sampling intervals. This dry ice USB data logger is a versatile wide-range temperature data logger, featuring high-resolution temperature range of -90 degrees to 70 degrees for up to 35,000 readings, with a real temperature value display. This ultra-low temperature thermometer generates a report automatically after it is connected to the computer, with no software required. Okay, same. First, let's take a look at the appearance. Okay, first you can see it is a white color, different with Atlas log, and the keeper is black color, and same about the height. Okay. Take off the lid. Take off the cover lid. You can see it's also USB type. USB type has a USB connector at the top. USB connector at the top. Now you can see this device is working. Device is working in alarm status. Currently the temperature is 22.2 degree. 22.2 degree, and okay, the first side you can see is a LCD screen and two buttons, one for start, one for stop. And in the back side you can see the label, and we put some information. Of the device on the label. First is model number, and second the name, device name, reusable multi-level PDF logger. Its accuracy and measurement range and certification, including CE, ROS, comply with EN 12830, and the runtime is up to 400 days. And the memory capacity is 14,400 readings. And this is a pretty old device. And in the downside you can see our company website here, freshliance.com, freshliance.com, freshliance.com. Okay, this is the appearance of the device. And next talking about the features. This FreshKeeper IoT, it has high accuracy and large capacity, built-in high precision NTC sensor with a measuring accuracy of 0.5 degrees and up to 35,000 readings temperature point storage. Next is the dry ice grid temperature measurement. So it's measure temperature from ultra low, from -90 to 70 degrees, and it's suitable for dry ice delivery and storage. Third is intuitive LCD screen, real-time viewing of running status, max, min, average temperature value, alarm status, and remaining days. Take a look. You can see the real-time temperature and also the battery level and alarm status. And the fourth, for the data report, it can generate PDF report or CSV report automatically. No software required. And last, it has some certificate including CE, ROS, and EN 12830. Okay, this is the features. And next, talking about the applications. So, FreshKeeper-IoT, the dry ice sensor temperature USB data logger, can be used for a wide range of applications, such as monitoring dry ice shipments, sea or air freight, distribution, storage and freezing, pharmaceuticals, frozen foods, and shipping containers. This standalone USB temperature sensor does not require any additional probes. So FreshKeeper-IoT dry ice data logger is suitable for in-transit records of biopharmaceuticals, life science, biological samples, blood culture diagnostic reagents, including biological reagents, molecular reagents, COVID-19 reagents, and cell biology reagents during low temperature environment. Products such as biologics, and vaccines have a short shelf life, so the temperature change during transportation should be controlled in time. Our USB temperature data logger with a real-time large display are an ideal choice for the pharmaceutical industry and biologics. And next, let me introduce to you about the specifications. It has a model FreshKeeper-IoT, and type is a disposable type, or you can have it in reusable type. It's optional. Temperature range is from -90 to 70 degree. Temperature accuracy is plus minus 0.5 degrees. The sensor type is internal NTC sensor, and the memory capacity 35,000 readings. Resolution 0.1 degree. Mark, you can have maximum 9 marks. Start mode is configurable. Start mode by button start or software start or countdown time start. Alarm range is also available. Is configurable. You can set by yourself in the software. Alarm points max 6 alarm points. So working days could be 30, 60, 90, or 120 days. It has a shelf life of 2 years, and the battery is 3.6 voltage. And the connection, you can connect via the USB connector. Report format is a PDF or CSV. Protection grade IP67. It's a dimension and the weight. You can see the specification if you come to our company website and see the specification of the device. Certification including CE, RoHS, and EN. And compatible operating system, both Windows and Mac. So for download the install software, you can download from our company website, Freshliance. The software name is Freshliance Tools. Link our company website, freshliance.com, and in our website you can find the link for download the software. And for configuration, you can do it by yourself. If you don't need to change parameters, you can restart. You can reuse the data logger directly. If you need to change parameters, when you enter the suitable parameters and click Save Parameter to finish configuration. So for start the logger, you can press Start button for 3 seconds until begin shows. It will start. The screen will show BEGIN, begin, and it means it will start. If start delay is set, the screen will show delay countdown time and DLY first. After that, the logger starts to record. So the main interface at the recording status, within alarm range, it will show a correct signal. Out of the alarm range, it will show a wrong signal. So currently from this device, in the screen you will see there is a wrong signal. So it means there has been a temperature alarm. It's out of the alarm range. Above the high alarm point, it shows high alarm. If below the low alarm point, it will show LOW. So at every short press on the left button, on the left button, the max value and the high alarm duration, mean value and the low alarm duration, average value, and the run days will be displayed in turn. And if you press the red button shortly, the screen will return to the main interface, working interface, and the recording interface. So at the main interface, if you press the left button, if you press the start view button for 3 seconds, the device will make one mark. Within every log interval, only one mark can be made. In total, up to 9 marks can be made. And for pause function, at a recording status, double press the left button, the logger will pause. Double press the left button again, it will continue. So at a pause status, the logger stops recording, but the screen still updates the temperature. The max, mean, average value, VU, and making mark are available. In temporary mode, you can connect the logger to the computer and get a temporary report. And the temporary report will be PDF format only. So you should take a note that during this process, during the temporary mode, the logger is still recording, and at this status, only PDF report is available. So manual stop. For stop mode, you have 3 different methods to stop the logger: manual stop, software stop, or auto stop. So for manual stop, you can press the red button and hold it for 5 seconds and to turn off the logger. If you want to stop it by software, you can plug the device into the computer and stop it by configuration software. And there is another situation that if the recording days is over, or the capacity or the memory capacity is full, it will stop automatically. Then, talking about the report. After stop, you can connect the logger to the computer and get the final report, the final temperature data report. The logger will display PDF or CSV to indicate it's a generating report. And after the final report is generated, USB is displayed on the logger. Please note that after pull it out from computer, if you press any button, the max mean value will be displayed in turn twice. And then after you have downloaded the report, the final report, and pull it out from computer, you can reuse the logger. So in order to avoid report is lost, please make sure to get the report please make sure to get the report. Otherwise, it couldn't be reused if without configuration again. You can reconfigure parameters or press the stop mark button for 3 seconds to restart the logger, and the report is downloaded. Okay, above all the main operation of this device. FreshKeeper IoT. It's for dry ice application, and you can have it in single use or multi-use. Could be disposable type, or also could be reusable type. It's optional. It's optional for when you place order with us. When you place order with us, you can inform us about the specification you want on the device. Okay, this is a FreshKeeper IoT. Let's take a small break. Okay, just now we have learned about the FreshKeeper-IoT, the multi-use temperature data logger, especially for dry ice application. This device, and today we have learned about two series. One is FreshKeeper, and another one is Atlas Log. This is the products all we have today. And Atlas Log series, it's white color, and it can have different temperature ranges. And FreshKeeper IoT, it is mostly used in dry ice application, minus 90 to 70 degrees, the temperature range. And this is Atlas Log. Okay, so both the two models are multi-use data logger. You can feel free to ask any questions if you want, and or you can contact with us directly by our email or by our telephone number. You can see our contact information in the downside of your screen. So this is the two models of the device all we have today. The Atlas Log and the FreshKeeper. So our company Freshliance, we focus on the temperature data logger only. We focus on the temperature data logger only, and we have experienced in many markets, including the European and the US market, and the Asian market, and also Middle East, Africa, and Australia, and the the other countries all over the world. And our data loggers, you have the certificate of CE, ROS, and EN12830 certificate, and you can use our data logger in both sea shipment or air shipment. It's okay. It's totally no problem. So today I'm giving you introduction of the multi-use type. If you want to know other type of the loggers, you can also view our company website to see all the details. We have many different type of the single-use data logger and also the multi-use data logger, and even with IoT solutions data logger. So we are professional in this field. You can contact us if you don't know how to choose the suitable data logger. You can contact us and tell us your specific application, and we can give you the right recommendation, give you the right advice. Okay, so that's all the products we have today. Thank you for coming to our live channel. I'm so grateful to have you guys here, and hopefully you will enjoy this live stream today and get to know more about Freshliance and our products. Freshliance is a professional manufacturer of the temperature data loggers. And if you want to buy our products we show today, you can contact us through the telephone and the email below. Our telephone number is 86371-899-08620, and our email address sales@freshliance.com, sales@freshliance.com, or you can search Freshliance on Amazon. We also have our own shopping website, temlogger.com, temlogger.com, temlogger.com. You can also see our products in our website. And before you leave, please don't forget to subscribe our channel and click the bell icon. So next time when we have new live show, you will be notified right away. And we look forward to introduce our new product to you next time. This time we have the multi-use data logger. We have the multi-use data logger, the Atlas series, and the FreshKeeper. Atlas series have 5 different models and can be used in different temperature range application, like -30 to 70 and -200 to 200 degrees. See the different application. And the FreshKeeper can be used mostly in the dry ice application. Its temperature range is from -90 to 70 degrees. From -90 to 70 degrees. So also, this is our standard products. If if you have specific requirement regarding the products or your application, we can also provide you the ODM or OEM services. So feel free to contact with us. Like the OEM service with your own brand, or ODM service, you can change some specification or function of the data logger to fulfill your own needs. So yeah, this all the products we have today. Thank you for coming to our live show, and remember to, before you leave, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel and click the bell icon. I'm really looking forward to introducing our new product to you next time, and so everyone, see you next time, and next time maybe me or maybe our colleague will continue to introduce to you our products, and have a nice day.